The Makita JR3050T reciprocating saw is not a top-of-the-line reciprocating saw, but it's highly dependable and inexpensive both at the same time. Although this demolition tool houses an 11-amp motor, you will feel as if it has as much as 13-amp motor in it. Seriously, you won't find much power difference between this and other high-powered reciprocating saws out there. The Makita JR3050T saw can cut through thick and tough objects as you would have hoped for. Basically, this saw is plentifully powerful to handle a lot of cutting tasks around the house. You will hardly see it struggle. The saw is also very easy to handle. It makes effortful tasks a lot easier than usual. Not to mention that the Makita saw carries a 1-year limited warranty. Product features. The blade replacement mechanism on this saw deserves our admiration. Seriously, there's no way to suck at it because you just have to move the collar lock to the unlock position, and the existing blade will pop out free, allowing you to quickly swap it for a new one. This robust product is also built to last. If you are not using it commercially, the saw will last you for the rest of your lifetime. The tool is truly built for serious business. Not to discount the fact that you will feel reasonably safe working with it. Believe it or not, this saw has received the same rankings as other high-priced saws available nowadays. Bearing the cost in mind, you will never regret getting this Makita saw. Seriously, you should have picked up this tool years ago. Advantages. This awe-inspiring tool can cut through just about anything you want, provided you pick up some sharp blades for it. The Makita JR3050T reciprocating saw is not overly heavy like other similar power tools of its nature. The lightweight and lack of unnecessary vibration reduce hand fatigue, which is, of course, wonderful to know. Given its compact size, this best reciprocating saw can be easily used in tight spots as well. It comes with a nice case for storage. Consequently, the saw won't get destroyed due to it being stored with other tools. Disadvantages. The trigger lock needs to be placed at a better location. At its current location, it can get activated by accident. If you like to buy or like to know more, click on the link below.